Welcome to my video on how to use Uniswap V3. This is the latest version of Uniswap. Now you can access, before now you could only access Uniswap on just the Ethereum blockchain, but right now you can access the Uniswap V3 on Ethereum, Polygon, Optimism and Arbitrum. Now, Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum, they are other layers of the blockchain that helps you to trade or swap on Uniswap at a way more cheaper fee than you would have if you're using Ethereum. We got to a point whereby it was ridiculously expensive to actually use Ethereum blockchain, but with Polygon, with Optimism, and with Arbitrum, you can swap at a way cheaper fee than Ethereum. But most persons still use Ethereum to swap, as long as you can afford the gas fee. So but there are other options for you if you can't afford Ethereum. So what to do first of all you have to do is to connect your wallet. Now if you're using Chrome browser, you should have MetaMask installed in your browser. So we have MetaMask installed, so we're going to click on connect wallet, and we're going to see MetaMask notification, and we are going to log in. We're going to log in to our MetaMask wallet. So we're logged in now into the wallet, into your MetaMask wallet, into our Uniswap, and to swap, see how you should swap. Now you should ensure that the blockchain you're using is Ethereum, unless you want to swap on Polygon. If you're swapping on Polygon, it means you have to switch network, because the network we are on now is Ethereum, so you have to switch from Ethereum mainnet to Polygon mainnet. But before you switch to Polygon mainnet, you must make sure that there's Polygon already on MetaMask. So we're not switching. Same for Optimism, and same for Arbitrum. So we are not switching. So I'm just going to show you everything I'm going to say now work for all of those platforms, and just make sure that you have sufficient funds in your MetaMask wallet to cover for the amount you're swapping and your fee. So when you're swapping, this is Uniswap wallet. It has the swap, it has the pool, it has the vote, because Uniswap also have a DAO that has governance. It has a governance feature. So let me reload this site. Yeah, we're back to swap. So how to swap? So the first one, the token up above, is the one that you want to swap for the other one. Like that's where you have your funds in, and you want to exchange that funds for another token. Let's say, for example, now you found a very amazing token that you want to invest in. Let's say for example Lyra Finance, and you want to swap your Ethereum for Lyra. So you go to select token and you type Lyra Finance. Now you click on Lyra Finance. So what if the token you're looking for is not here? It's not here. What should you do? You should go to CoinMarketCap. Go to CoinMarketCap, and you go to CoinMarketCap. Then you look for the token. Let's say, for example, now we are going to let's say, for example, that the token you're looking for didn't show up when you looked for it, when you searched for it in the Uniswap. So what should you do? You should just, let's use this thing, for example, Aleph0, for example. Let's use Aleph0, and you get the what they call the contract address. You get a contract address of the token, and after you've gotten the contract address of the token, you copy it and you come back to Uniswap to your Uniswap and click on this place and paste it, it's going to call up the contract address, and then you click on the token and it's going to simply appear. So you just select your 0 point, you put your quantity you want to swap equivalent in. It's going to call up the quantity you want to buy, and then you click on swap. It will bring up this quantity you want to swap, the put in. That's $3 of ETH is equal to 11 Lyra, and your network fee is $24. Network fee is dropping, it's $22 now. So your $3 plus $22 will give you $25. So you're going to spend a total of $25 swapping. When you confirm the swap, it's going to go through and your swap has happened. So this is how to use your Uniswap. So it's very simple. You go to app.uniswap.org. Just make sure you are on the right address, app.uniswap.org, and you do your swap. This is how to use Uniswap. So what if you need to switch to this Optimism and Arbitrum? They are layer 2 platforms whereby you can use little or no fees at all to swap. The layer 2 platforms they help Ethereum to scale, and they help users have a very seamless experience and very low gas fee experience, still leveraging on the security that Ethereum offers. Ethereum is very secure. It's very secure, just that it's going through scalability challenges, which brought in layer 2. But that will be another video. So you can check out my other video where I explained Arbitrum and I explained ZK rollups and their role in helping Ethereum to scale as layer 2 products. So make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video, and make sure you turn on the notification button to get our other videos. Remember that you can always earn passive income or earn income just by working at crypto jobs. You can find my other videos on crypto jobs. Just search in my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. See you in my next video.